You guys, today I decided to make 3 more recipes from the new Next Gen Blending BlendJet recipe book. Today I decided to make these beautiful, delicious milkshakes. If you want to see how I make them, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so of course I will be using my BlendJet 2 to make these milkshakes, and I will be using the Next Gen Blending BlendJet recipe book. This is the first milkshake that I will make, which is the strawberry cheesecake, and these are the ingredients for this milkshake. So to start off making the milkshake, I'm going to be using 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. What I decided to do was just take 2 of these small containers to make it equivalent to 1 cup. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk of my choice, which I am using fat-free milk. Now I'm going to add in just a couple of frozen strawberries. Next, the recipe says to use coconut whipped cream for topping, but I did not have any in my local store, so I'm going to use this non-dairy almond milk. And to finish it off, I'm just going to add a couple of fresh strawberries for topping. Oops, overfilled it. And of course, time for the taste test. So the next recipe that I decided to make is the cookies and cream milkshake, and these are the ingredients. So first I'm going to start off by using chocolate cream filled cookies, which I chose Oreo minis, and also I'm using the same vanilla ice cream that I used in the first recipe. I'm also going to use another cup of fat-free milk, and I'm also going to top it off with some more almond milk whipped cream. And to also add some finished touches to this milkshake, I'm going to add some crumbled Oreo minis on top. And of course, time for the second taste test. Ooh. Really good. The third and final milkshake that I'll be making is the salted caramel milkshake. And these are the ingredients. So I'm starting with 1 cup of fat-free milk. You want to use 1 cup of salted caramel ice cream of your choice, and you want to use a caramel for topping. Now, I've seen this done at a restaurant before, but I wanted to try it myself. What I'm doing here is just squeezing some of the caramel down the side of the glass. It's just to give it a nice presentation and also to put some of it inside of the milkshake. Now I'm going to add the almond milk whipped topping. And finish it off with a drizzle of caramel. Yummy. Time for the final taste test. And voila, there you have it. 3 easy and simple milkshake recipes that you and the whole family can enjoy. If you haven't already purchased your next gen blending BlendJet recipe book, be sure to look down in the description box where you can get an extra 10% off of your order. Be sure to click the link so you can get your discount today. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.